Hey.
Hail. Just got hit. There it comes. There it comes. Come on, baby.
Dude, I want to get my tripod so bad.
Social media.
Oh, check it out. Oh, yeah. Vortex breakdown.
Dude, hurry up, you fucking phone.
Oh, that was insane.
That was awesome. That was incredible.
Yes, it was. That was the coolest vortex breakdown I've ever seen.
Look at the debris cloud.
Look at the debris cloud. Bonus day. This ain't even really a chase day. This is just a bonus day.
Ben, you got your camera propped up?
Yeah, right here.
Can you hold mine so I can go grab my tripod real quick?
Where's your tripod?
Or you grab it for me? It's on the far side, not the one with the flat spot, not the big handle.
I think we're gonna have to head south, guys. So the hail is just north.
Yeah, I think we are.